There are few watches that define timeless elegance quite like the Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso. Born in 1931, engineered to survive polo matches, and designed with an unmistakable Art Deco soul, the Reverso remains one of the greatest icons in watchmaking history. And in 2025, Jaeger-LeCoultre refines the legend once again with the new mid-size Reverso Classic Monoface Small Seconds, a perfect balance between proportion, craftsmanship, and pure design. At first glance, this model stays true to the heritage that made the Reverso famous. Its polished stainless steel case, framed by those signature triple gadroons, measures 40.1 by 24.4 millimeters, just 7.56 millimeters thick, a size that sits beautifully on almost any wrist. Neither oversized nor delicate, this mid-size format hits that sweet spot of elegance, refined enough for evening wear, yet versatile for daily use. And of course, the case still performs its signature trick, that satisfying slide and flip motion that hides or reveals the dial, a design with over 50 individual components working in perfect harmony. The dial introduces a fresh touch, a guilloche center pattern inspired by the ridges of stacked coins. It plays beautifully with light, adding texture and depth to the design. Around it, vertical brushing defines the minute track, while applied Arabic numerals and Dauphine hands keep everything unmistakably Reverso. At 6 o'clock, a small second subdial mirrors the same guilloche texture, subtle, elegant, and precise. The caseback, as always, is left blank for engraving, inviting a touch of personal history, just as Reverso owners have done for nearly a century. Inside beats the caliber 822, a hand-wound, tonneau-shaped movement created specifically for the Reverso. Just 2.94 millimeters thick, it's composed of 108 components and delivers a 42-hour power reserve. It's a mechanical work of art, compact, refined, and purpose-built for this rectangular icon. Completing the look is the Casa Fagliano black calf skin strap, soft, supple, and easily interchangeable with Jaeger-LeCoultre's quick-release system. Priced at around 8,000 USD or Euro, the new Reverso Classic Monoface Small Seconds brings heritage, handcraft, and daily versatility together in one beautifully balanced package. Nearly a century after its creation, the Reverso still defines timeless design. And in this new mid-size classic Monoface Small Seconds, Jaeger-LeCoultre proves that true icons don't age, they evolve. Subscribe for more reviews of the world's most iconic timepieces.